Windows 11 24H2 triggers a 20-year-old bug in GTA San Andreas related to the Skimmer Seaplane. And yes, you heard that right. A decades-old game is now glitching out because of a brand new Windows update. Game developer Adrian, who tirelessly works on game bugs in his free time, has been releasing fixes for GTA San Andreas and many other classics to keep them alive on modern systems. And one such bug that recently caught the attention of the gaming community is the missing Skimmer Seaplane, reported by GitHub user HiddenMask58 just 4 days ago. This issue showed up after updating to Windows 11 24H2, affecting both modded and vanilla versions of the game with Silent Patch installed. Thankfully, Adrian jumped on the problem and fixed it in just 24 hours, sharing his discovery on Silent's blog. And the root cause? Missing information in the vehicles.i configuration file. Specifically, the Skimmer line lacks the last 4 parameters, including front and rear wheel scale values. While this missing data had been there since the game's original launch, previous versions of Windows, ranging from Windows 98 all the way through Windows 11 23H2, managed to load the information just fine because of how they handle memory and stack pointers, but not anymore. With Windows 11 24H2, those silent safeguards are gone, and the bug is now glaringly obvious. What's crazier is that the missing parameters were intentional, because the Skimmer is technically a seaplane, and just like all other boats in the game, the last 4 values were omitted. But here's the kicker. Unlike its predecessors in GTA 3 and Vice City, where it was considered a boat, GTA San Andreas reclassified the Skimmer as a plane and forgot to add those for critical parameters during that transition. So what happens now? In previous Windows builds, the game would pull a default value, like 0.7, from the vehicle listed above the Skimmer in the file, but the new memory handling in Windows 11 24H2 changed everything. Instead of pulling a default value, the game now adjusts the stack pointer by 4 bytes and ends up using a gigantic value for the wheel scale. This means the Skimmer, if not patched, becomes so big that the game can't even render it. And if you try to put CJ in the pilot seat, he shoots up into the stratosphere with an in-game altitude of over 1 quadrillion light years. Yes, that literally makes him a spaceman orbiting the universe. If you're running into this issue and want to fix it yourself, it's thankfully pretty easy. Just go to your GTA San Andreas installation folder, navigate to data/vehicles.ide, open a file with Notepad, find a line that starts with 460, Skimmer, and add -1, 0.7, 0.7, -1 to the end of that line, then save the file. Alternatively, you can wait for Silent Patch's official hotfix on GitHub, which will not only resolve this issue, but include other small improvements and patches for the game. This situation is a perfect example of how changes in modern operating systems can unexpectedly break legacy software, especially when those games had hidden or long-ignored bugs baked into their code. It also shows how vital the gaming community and independent developers like Adrian are when it comes to preserving our digital history. Without them, classics like GTA San Andreas might have faded into unplayability on new hardware. So whether you're reliving your childhood with your 50th rerun of San Andreas, or just fascinated by how a Windows update could accidentally launch CJ into deep space, this bug is both hilarious and insightful. It reminds us of fragility of old software and the importance of detailed patching. And you can bet this won't be the last time we see legacy games clash with future technology. That's why we'll keep bringing you these kinds of deep dive stories. So hit that like button, share this with your fellow retro gamers, and subscribe for more epic updates, fixes, and behind-the-scenes looks into the tech world. Only on TechVerse.